I'm Rob Spragis, and we're here today at our Leviton headquarters in Melville, New York, and I'm going to take you down to the testing lab to take a look at our Leviton Load Center. Come on with me. Leviton designed their panels to be flexible, not only flexible, but for speed. You can save up to 25% by using a Leviton panel, installing it in new construction. How is that accomplished? Well, if you'll notice, I'll take this breaker off here. This breaker is 100% plug-on breakers up to 60 amps. So, if you look right here, you'll see that there is a phase and a neutral lug that runs up and down the entire bus, which enables the installer to pull the wire, land the wire, and label the wire on the rough. So the rough is going to take a little bit longer, but in typical installs in a new construction or residential application, they pull all the wires into the panel, they coil them up, they put a paint shield on, and then they leave. Then on the finish, they come back to the panel, right? They pull the paint shield off, they pull that big bowl of spaghetti apart, strip the wires, land them, and then label them. Whereas with Leviton, you pull it, you land it, and you label it, and you're done. And then all you have to do is come back and plug this breaker on right in its place. And that's it. So that's your finish is so much faster. All total time saved, 25%.